Hello?
Hi, Aidana. This is Marin. I'm calling you from Canada.
Canada?
Yes, I was based in Toronto. Remember?
All right. What time is it there?
It's 11 p.m. It's 10 a.m. there in Bishkek, right?
Yes, right. How's the weather there?
The weather is nice, but a little bit windy.
Where are you coming back?
The next week.
Hope to see you soon.
See you. Take care.
Is England a city?
No, England isn't a city. England is a country.
And London. Is London a city or a country?
London is a city. London is the capital city of England.
Yes, right. And Big Ben is in London.
Yes, Big Ben is the famous clock tower of London.
What about Harry Potter films? Weren't they filmed in England?
Yes, they were. The Harry Potter films were filmed in England.
Cool. I've read all the books.
Really?
Yeah?
Cool. Hi, Amandip. How are you? I'm fine, boys. How are you?
Fine, thanks.
What are you doing?
I'm looking for my country's flag. Why?
We have international night at school next week.
What is that?
It is the day when we teach each other about other different cultures represented in our school.
Great. Tahi, you're from Korea, right?
Yes, I'm Korean.
Do you speak Korean?
Yes, of course.
How do you say hello in Korean?
안녕하세요.
Can you repeat?
Can you repeat?
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Good. World. World. Country. Country. City. City. Capital city. Capital city. Where are you from? Where are you from? I am from. I am from. Nationality. Nationality. International. International. Japan. Japan. China. China. Italy. Italy. Russia. Russia. Australia. Australia. India. India. Egypt. Egypt. Korea. Korea. America. America. England. England. Spain. Spain. Turkey. Turkey. Thailand. Thailand. France. France. Kyrgyzstan. Kyrgyzstan. Kazakhstan. Kazakhstan.
are all living in Kyrgyzstan, but we are all from different countries. Isn't it amazing?
Lily is from China, right?
Yes, I am from China and my nationality is Chinese. We have the Great Wall in China.
What is that?
It is a very big wall and it was built to keep inviting countries out.
Oh, Zoha, you're from Pakistan, right?
Right, my mom is Afghan and my dad is Pakistani.
Cool.
Manisha is from India, am I right?
Yes, I'm from India and I'm Indian.
Are there any cool places where you live?
Yes, we have Taj Mahal and it was built by an old emperor for his wife.
What is it made of?
It was made of white marbles and it's so beautiful.
Cool. I want to visit India.
I want to visit Italy. I want to see the Leaning Tower of Pisa.
The Leaning Tower of Pizza?
No, we do like pizza, but it's the Leaning Tower of Pisa. It's the center of Italy.
Oh, I got it.
What are you doing, Altina?
I'm trying to draw the flag of France for the International Night, but I'm not sure about the colors.
It's blue, white, and red.
Oh, thank you.
What are we going to do at the International Night?
International Night is a great opportunity to showcase our family's background. We have a lot of different nationalities in our school. It's going to be very interesting.
The school will set up the tables for different countries. The dress up is encouraged.
We can display crafts, flags, currency, stamps, foods, clothing, and maps or photos for every nationality.
Are we going to perform some dance or songs?
I will perform a song.
Which song?
We Are the World.
Let's perform all together.
Good idea. Altina, do you want to start?
Okay. There comes a time when the hear a certain call. There comes a time when we hear a certain call, when the world must come together as one.
There are people dying, and it's time to lend a hand to life, the greatest gift of all.
When we go on pretending day by day, when someone somewhere will soon make a change.
We are all a part of God's great big family, and you know, love is all we need.
We are the world, we are the world, we are the children, we are the children, we are the ones who make a brighter day, so let's start giving. There's a choice to make it, we're saving our own lives. It's true, make a better day, just you and me. We are the world, we are the children, we are the ones who make a better day, so let's start giving. There's a choice to make, we're saving our own lives. It's true, make a better day, just you and me.